Wow. Eje shanti.
But then now the head of sports in Crab.
Say
Head of sports.
Hey, baton na. Baton dey ha ho na. Ade baton. So omo say fifi awi.
Enti
omo de baton na ma.
Aware.
Obi antimi fa baton na ma. Aware pe any idea. The be am catch him for say you don't force people to marry.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah.
They understand
sure
what it is to be married. And you Jenny Ketwa.
Enti friend aware no. Mun say bibli.
Yes. Enti maobia enya kunya to think very deep about our decision, you know. Okay. And me gis enyo obi akra na also ware. Enyo obi a. And Rich, meet me catch you. There are people who on paper and in life are married, but in actual life angasa practically you see them living together in their home say oh for, but who right inside
we da omunka zambo
meno ya dia men foresee nipa
500%
aware dear you bet me a carry asre but enti me pick a phone and I say me share obi ni komo and advice no about married da a wow decision. When you are ready, you know. When you find the right person, you know. And your commitment get what? Enti our answer in the sanity.
Black Stars.
Now before I make up Black Stars at 7. I think say me Kotoko 7 here we change Black Stars.
Okay, no problem.
So social media for no a project Kotoko almost statement na enra omo de ba abontin announcing the new technical director na, which uko page 2 hono mo a eba be statement no kra no meka this parts so omo highlight Mr. James Osei Brown and omo de ne portfolio at Kotoko aka ho as the executive chairman of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. Which there are a lot of here information about what is going on at Kotoko. And every statement to be able to Kotoko baby. So we are going to say obey the brony friend of proper content analysis. You will be able to relay information to Mutio. Rich statement a free mention by in relation to board here we appointed them as board members. And until if subsequent statement from the club eba na start say a describing Obi as executive board member, it means there have been a very, very big decision taken. I was a Kotoko supporters in. And per this statement, you know, nobody should expect Kotoko to appoint a CEO. Because in any corporate governance or there's executive board chairman, there's no room for a CEO. In Tiende, meeting me at Nhyira from Aka, say under this current Kotoko board, you and say oh say about appointed CEO. CEO will be amba. Mr. James Brown have assumed and I say the board has taken a decision say or no and a executive board chairman. The chairman say he is the chairman of the board and he is the head of the Kotoko management. Enti uye Kotokonia ojiye dise o sports moon discussing yenye ne tie bi na nsemo koso enchechiro mu no. That is the big information and I was all picking from Enra Kotoko statement no mo de buy. Now, why have they arrived at that decision? Rich, Kotoko board no had only one man in their mind to appoint a CEO. We know who that person is. Now, when they told in the Pakrono, Osi Okwako Junior ho obemo answer. Rich, the name and say the answer was negative. And untino, the board became disappointed. Say Enipakone say onye so convinced obe take it up and appointment no more man no. Now they are trying to speak to him to still convince him, if even in a different capacity, as a project manager and as a BB Krana, on your parts of the success story on best or much for Kotoko as the board. Whether Enonsube and I say enye, that one will be left for the future. But the news say the sole candidate of this board, and Komopa appointing as the CEO, no, I say Ejumano own to me yet. And by some information in T, now Mr. Brown, the board chairman, I mean I don't want to use the word assume just ask on the decision from the board, no, and they said then he both the board chairman and the leader of the management. And see, from here, honey, we've closed the chapter to say Kotoko be appointed as CEO. Now, Rich, I have seen the Kotoko organogram. No? This kind board no person of the age, man. And unti ena enyam nwanwa say, whilst Mr. Brown, I tried to fix the administration of the club, no. Or GD say, Kotoko Eye Sporting Club ninti. The first place to fix na starting year Juma is the sporting aspect, you know. So Kotoko starts almost sporting in your man. The rest of the officers here as administrators, secretariat, can follow at any time, be gradually. And until no more appointed, we are never saying Menzo.
Yeah, Menzo. Stanley Menzo.
Now, technical director, Jumano, a strictly administrative work. I can confirm, say, Menzo will appoint the next coach of Kotoko in consultation with the board. Inti Duababe Kotoko coach will come from the technical director in consultation with the board. Rich, me show you any CVR. Any day me nim say a board with Trimupono. I think so largely omo ne buy. Sanana mudi unkomono. To build a certain template for Kotoko to function as a sporting club and for new youth development in Niagara. Now, the benefit of the youth development, you know, a link with the first team. Nejuma pa no. To build a system, I am more concentrated on the youth development of the club. But there's a strong link of the area or youth development one into the senior team. Already, Mabaka platform will so da. Say, it is the Kotoko's board ambition, say, they will do proper youth development for the club. Do business with the youth development, you know, and take the proceeds from the youth development Sikano and build a very solid first team. And it's a mediator for Mama will be a OTA and be a so better as here. Koroko, I now even say, Ombe youth team in year pa. Ombe youth team in year. Say, I want a market to work for players. Near only a top players. I want a Sika, a Freeba. Omunye Sikana. Then they will look at the first team, bring in quality players, and maintain the first team players, you know, for success on the pitch with youth team for Nisikana or Mobenyano. Because Rich, you're here. And they so we see about Kotoko best player for last season, which probably will be Samba Onela. Sikasa and how the better. And until what it says, oh, deals are back from some deals in South Africa, anyone. How much would they pay? $250,000. But Kotoko special talent from the youth level, they can sell him for $500,000. Omobeti miagi 250 CCA. No, magis 40% onward transfer. And Pabo also mubodi akranechi and say, Okwa onye lazy and ebe farmer no. Enti ebia Kotoko aton play ama Maria. Okoye Kotoko aji obi $150,000 youth team player. Akwani nam Maria because of the special talent in T. Yebecha say as Atletico Madrid eso mo beta brand $5 million. €5 million. So Kotoko out of the 5 million Kotoko, 40% is Kasaya. That is how Kotoko want to build. And until Nomodi Urano Abano. So we are expecting him to work. Ocean is CV now. Look, technical director in this kind of a part of the world, no, doesn't need to come out as a big coach. I was a what in the job no etie and how he will build the policies, link adwuma na obaso ye na be mo unsa adwuma obetimi aye e no kre obehia support and obehia criticism so yeah supporting no na ye criticizing no. That is the only way we can shape people. Ujane is hard. Say only di natem onfa unkan tronto ne so unya sensationalism bia on him on his job. You are doing a good journalistic work. Inti wabe, you know, there he will look at the background of Kotoko, the history of the club, the ambition of the board. And it don't want kasa person here from the youth team to the senior team. On a Hamza Mushiano Mudi come on. So okay, youth team no say na the characteristics of a typical Kumasi street boy. Ne Bob Bonicity here for more. Say no more Bob Bonicity. So that is what we can attach to them. And say Sadia, then the first team must also follow in line. Coach Ben or no more philosophy in the line or Bob Betty Matcher or Betty Matias. Said this is the project and you want to link up. You be your first team coach or better I youth team matches, no. Now I can say way especially I mean they training with the first. They need to do a lot of things. But the bottom line and say the executive board chairman with the board will want to fix Kotoko sporting projects first. See it running as a sporting club, then they can know so okay, after the Kotoko no ankasa as a team no year juma dia we can go and concentrate on the other aspects now. Within our mandate, we say ebetimi ayenti, enye bad appointment at all, enye very 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 bad appointment. The only ejaka kreatia to and say, Rich, it's a sana. Nhyira tubede ura watara ba senko meyo.
Actually no abe coach.
So ti eba ne say na ono no de no. Went me me ye as ye didn't bass on me na ebe ye be fufu be cry. I'm not saying Sana Kotoko de be, but what I'm saying and I say just as Jude was trying to change no, the position of a technical director enye novice or Kotoko. Malik Jabel by Coach Mayele by they've all you bet me the says here back I said they didn't have a successful stint as the TDs of the club. And when we say this one is under different leadership, maybe a way more and so I didn't know is different from the first one. Baby, a way create free banane the kind of perspective or they bear Jumano soon a different idea. But Rich, because you are tough from the Hontino, we need to be very very careful. Science and tough from a honum a biminti. Juma Kessel night in the Pana or Bayanabano. Kodoko the Rich. Say Uosiko. Say see Adayo, say why branding, why day. The first point of assessment is that the team is good, the team is winning matches, the team is playing well. Team no bia who's the team na yakono, and that is what Menzo has been appointed to do. And to be bia for Kotoko team no the 3 points, the attraction of the club itself in the football no. And no me dey home manager abano. Okay. Until we wish him all the best. Obeti sem bebre wona sum Kotoko.
Amuni kan kire no.
Enkofo bebre we interest ho Kotoko. Enkofo bebre na ebe che o madwumpo aburo so mpo se adwuma ko munim kra kire no Kotoko. But he must stay focused. O tie nkoma na on pick the positive man na obetimi improving no. The Ayala no sebi on tonchene na onye focus on the entire oba. We wish him all the best. He can do the job.
Lines, no. He can do the job. And so Emre Mishawanzo 4.5 032220